Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet A, B, C. A for ant, A for ant, B for bird, B for bird, C for cat, C for cat, A, B, C. So let's go. Now I am drawing letter A. I am using red color. Now I am drawing ant. A is for ant. I am using pink color. I am using brown color now. Now I am drawing letter B. I am using yellow color now. B is for bird. B is for bird. Now I am drawing bird. I am using yellow color now. I am using red color now. I am using green color now. Now I am drawing letter C. I am using green color now. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. Now I am coloring cat. C is for cat. I am using pink color now. I am using brown color now. I am using green color now. Bye bye kids. Please subscribe this channel.